Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to opt out of commingling your FBA inventory. When you create an Amazon seller account, Amazon automatically sets your barcode preference to commingle. Commingling inventory is essentially pooling your inventory with the inventory of other sellers at Amazon's fulfillment center. The reason why you'd want to opt out is to have more control over the products that your customers are receiving. Other sellers may send in damaged products, counterfeit, or send in the wrong product altogether. To avoid returns and play it safe, we don't want to commingle our products with any other sellers. So let me go ahead and show you how to opt out. First thing, we'll go to sellercentral.amazon.com and sign in. Once you sign in, from the homepage, you're going to hover over settings in the top right corner. You're going to go down and click Fulfillment by Amazon. Now you're going to scroll down to the section that says FBA Product Barcode Preference, and you're going to click to Edit. From here, you can change from the manufacturer barcode to Amazon barcode. Once you select Amazon barcode, you will click Update, and that's going to be it. It's important to note that any existing listings you have will not be affected. This change will only show on new listings you create after you make the change. If you already listed products and you don't want them commingled, you will need to delete the listing and recreate it. That's going to be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.